Hi, in this video I will show you some possible approaches when you are building a sustainable building or city together with your class. Firstly, what I like to do is go on Google and find some images of what I'm trying to make. Then it's important to remember that this is just an inspiration and not let this limit your imagination, but rather be a supplement to help you get going or get some ideas. The next question that is nice to ask is, what do people need from a city, and how can you make it sustainable? Firstly, people need transportation, for instance, and how would you make that more sustainable? People also need a place to live and energy, and how would you integrate those or make those more sustainable? So I have made some suggestions that I will show you over in Ludenso Create, so let's head over there. Here I have made a building with a lot of trees on the balconies with a solar panel on the roof. If I now want to connect this building to the gallery of my class, I hit this icon up here. And then I write in the code displayed on the one hosting the gallery screen and also on the screen of the ones connected. My code is 1138083. And then I hit join gallery. And now I have joined the gallery. If I now click up here, I can see all the other buildings in my gallery. Here you see another building for people to live in with solar panels and huge green lawns outside. As I mentioned, a useful exercise is to think of what do people need from a city and how can you make it in a sustainable way. Here you'll see a solar powered hospital. And this exercise you can do for everything in your city. Like here, for instance, transportation-wise, here I made a train, and here you have some windmills for energy production, and also a park. As I mentioned, there's no correct way of solving this task, so these are just suggestions on how you can do it, and good luck with your sustainability challenge.